Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will show you that how you can remove hair dye from your skin in very quick and easy manner. So for this you need some home ingredients such as any toothpaste, half lemon, any clean brush, warm water, hair dye. Like you can see, I have added some hair dye just to show you a demo that how you can remove it from your skin. After coloring the hair dye on your hair, some dye usually left over on your skin part, which is absolutely difficult to remove, but with the help of this remedy you can easily remove the hair dye from your skin. So first of all I will show you a demo. Like on my hand you can see I am applying it on my finger just to show you a demo. Like while applying it on your hair, some dye left over on your skin, which is very difficult to remove, but with the help of this remedy, like I have spread the dye over to my skin for at least 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you need to remove this hair dye because it takes time to spread the color over to the skin. Now let's take, like, it's 5 minutes now. First of all you need to take a lemon or toothpaste. Now take a clean brush Now you can see the dye has spread over to my skin, and now to remove it I will take a clean brush and put some toothpaste over to the brush like this and gently apply to my skin. Toothpaste has some properties that will help to reduce the leftover dye over to the skin, and spread it all over to the skin, and take a half lemon and squeeze it over to the skin and rub it with the help of clean brush for at least 2 to 3 minutes until the dye color appears to be diminished or lightened. You need to rub it gently over to the skin as per the sensitivity of your skin, like this. Now dip the brush into the warm water and again rub it like this. This remedy is very helpful in removing the hair dye from your skin in just quick and very easy manner without any chemical properties. You just need to do this remedy for at least 2 to 3 minutes at least to get the. Again rub it with some warm water, and hair dye is completely getting diminished or lightened in color, as you can see. Now dip the skin or whatever part you have applied this remedy into some warm water, or you can also dip some cloth into the warm water and apply to the affected area, and do this like I am doing now. Just clean with the help of some soft cloth, and you can see the hair dye has completely diminished from the skin. So friends, you must try this home remedy for better results and to remove the hair dye completely from the skin. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.